how to do another in your face, yes ma'am, I participate in Halloween, yes sir, I does this shit nail set. Hey Banks gang, it's ANYLAH here, and in today's video I'm going to be using my silicone hand that I got from IGUANA. I named her Evelyn, so I did a quick little polygel set on her, and if you guys want to see how I do polygel nails, then make sure you comment that down below. These are the colors that I'm using. I'm going to first start off with this very light greenish yellow. It's a glow-in-the-dark polish. The pinky is too. But you can't go wrong, okay? It's Halloween. You need some damn glow in the dark because it just makes everything pop more. Like, it's so cool. It's so dope. So I applied a very thin layer of that yellow green polish to the nail. I cured it for 60 seconds, and I'm going in with my second coat. Again, like glow in the dark polishes or just polishes in general, you want to apply thin coats of them, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to the Banks gang, then sis, what are you doing? I would love to have you here. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button down below, and boom, just like that, you in there like somewhere, okay? So for this nail here, I'm going to apply one thin layer of black gel polish to the nail, cure it for 60 seconds, and I'm going to move on to the middle finger. So this nail, I'm going to do 2 coats of white polish, again keeping them very thin so it won't bubble. It won't like half-ass cure in the lamp. So I'm just gonna apply my second coat now, cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then now we're gonna go on to the pointer finger. So I'm gonna use that pink because pink and green is my favorite combo of all time. Doesn't matter what season or whatever, it's just my favorite colors. So I'm gonna go in with a very thin layer for that first coat, and then the second coat here I'm going in very thin. Once again, make sure you're doing these thin because you do not want your nails to not cure. And then for the pinky nail, my favorite nail of the whole set, we're gonna do this like spiral nail. Like, it's a very, very hypnotizing nail, to me at least. I don't know how you guys feel. Comment that down below if you like this type of nail. Some people love it, some people don't, and I would love to know your opinion on it. I think this nail is really cool. It's super beginner friendly. Anybody can do this. I'm not even using a nail brush, okay? And I'm able to do this. So look, improvise, do what you gotta do, because that's what I do all the time, okay? So I'm just going to start off in a half circle in the beginning, and I'm just gonna curl it like it's a snake tail, or just curl it up, because it the more imperfections, this nail doesn't have to be that perfect, like as you can see mine, and it just comes out beautiful each and every time. So once you're done with that, cure it for 60 seconds and then go over it with a top coat. I did these nails glossy, but part of me feels like I should have did this matte. So for this middle finger here, this nail is super duper repetitive, okay? All it is making dots. You doing polka dots everywhere, okay, sis? You're gonna do small, big, medium, extra medium. I'm not sure if extra medium is a word, don't quote me on that, but make them to your size, okay? And then you're gonna make sure you do it with white first. Trust me, okay? Just trust me. Put down white first, so whatever color you're using on top will pop. Even though I did pink and green, any color will look like super duper good on top of this. So you do what you want to do, sis, okay? And then once you're done curing that, you're gonna go over with your top coat, cure it again, and you're done. On to the middle finger. We halfway done, y'all. Look at that. So for this nail, I'm going to use my very thin striping brush, and I'm going to just make a line over the nail. I didn't want this part too small, and I didn't want it too big, but to each his own. You could do this however you want to do it. You could do patchwork, you could do just one color, you could do 5 colors. It does not matter, okay? You just, whatever comes to your dome, whatever comes to your head, just put them lines on there. And then I did this part super duper backwards. Again, that's why I'm saying take my advice. I should have cured this first and then went in, or just went in with one color first and went from there, because my color started to bleed and I had to clean it up, and I was like, no. So I didn't like it that far down, so I went up even more with the actual brush that comes with the gel polish, and boom, cured it for 60 seconds. And now we're gonna make a thicker line, not too thick, or however you want to put it, but in my case I didn't put it that thick. And I'm gonna cure that, and then I'm gonna go over it with very small, what do you call that, brush strokes, little lines. Okay, I put some X's here, and most of them are like just lines. So I don't know if this is like barbed wire or stitches, but you get the gist of it, and you just do it however you want to do it. I originally did those two, and I was like, it needs some more, so I went in and just made some more stitches, and this nail came out super duper cute. Yeah, I did one more because I was like, the top and the bottom wasn't enough. I need to do one more towards the middle. So once I completed that, I cured it for 60 seconds, and then I went over that with a top coat, and we almost done, y'all. Look, all we got is the pointer finger left. So once I'm done top coating that, then I'm gonna go in, cure it, and now onto the last nail. So for a spider web, this nail is super duper easy, super duper beginner friendly. All you have to do, whatever, you know, side of the nail you're trying to work on, all you do is just make some lines. Cure those lines first. Don't just go in and do it all, unless you're like a pro at this or you do this all the time. But you would want to cure those 4 lines like I did there, and then go in with really small C's. I switched to that smaller brush I was using earlier. Again, this is not a nail brush. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I'm using this brush, okay? Again, improvising. So you're just gonna make C's, like crescents, like what the moon be looking like half of the time. So you just make those. It don't gotta be perfect. Make some of them line up, some of them don't got to. Cure it, and then I'm gonna go in with a little swizzle line, and I'm gonna put a big circle at the end, and then I'm gonna go in and make some little legs. This spider isn't meant to be creepy or to scare you. It's just a little cute, fun spider. So it doesn't have to be perfect at all. That's why this entire set is super duper beginner friendly. So I'm gonna put 2 white dots, cure that, go in with that real small brush and add 2 black dots for the eyes, cure it, and then go over with a top coat, cure that for 60 seconds. And at the end of the day, sis, we done. So boom, look at that, look at these nails. So extra, so in your face. So yes, I do participate in Halloween. Yes, I love Halloween. That's what these nails are giving. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below how you feel about the pinky nail, and share this video with your family and friends. Again, make sure you follow me on Instagram at ANYLAH_banks, because I'm doing a giveaway as soon as we hit 2K subscribers. And until tomorrow, Banks gang, bye.